Meaning of historiographical.
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 Historiographical. The term historiographical refers to the study of how history is written and interpreted. It encompasses examining the sources used to construct historical narratives, the biases and assumptions of historians, and the social and cultural contexts that shape historical understanding. A historiographical inquiry seeks to understand historical events and their significance by analyzing the various ways in which they have been interpreted over time. Through this process, historians can identify gaps and biases in previous accounts, revise existing interpretations, and build new understandings of the past.